Welcome to the FlowZone Instructional series. In this video, we will be troubleshooting a sprayer that only turns on intermittently. Feel free to pause the video now to review the steps before we begin. For this video, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. We will be opening the front cover plate. Begin by removing the battery from the battery holster. Then, take off the detachable hose and lay the sprayer down on a flat surface. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 7 screws securing the front cover plate to the tank. 3 of the screws are located under the battery door. Once the sprayer cover is open, check to make sure all the connections are secure, starting with the circuit board to the pump. Then check the connection from the circuit board to the battery holster. Lastly, check the connection from the circuit board to the variable pressure dial. If all the connections are secure, the sprayer's circuit board and micro switch must be replaced. You can find videos on how to replace those parts in our instructional series. Once the sprayer has been repaired or you have finished troubleshooting, close the sprayer back up. Secure the 7 screws back into their slots on the front cover plate. Thanks for watching. If you're still experiencing issues with your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for product updates and other instructional content.